For this coding challenge, you had to write a Python program that prints a string without any spaces. So it should remove all occurrences of the space character in the string. First of all, we need to define a variable to store the string. In this case, we're going to start with hello world that only contains one space. Since we cannot mutate or change the string, we have to create a new string that will be initially empty, but that is the string that we are going to print. Then, what we are going to do is to iterate over each character in the string. This is the first option that we can use to solve this problem, iterating over the characters in the string. If the character that we are currently evaluating for the value of char is not equal to a space, then we are going to add it to the new string. That is what we are doing with this conditional. We are checking if the character is not a space. In that case, we include it in the new string that we are going to print as the output. But if it is a space, then we are not going to include it. Okay? And that is how we can make a new string without any spaces. And we print the result with the print function. Let's save the file and run the code. And we can see this as the output. Hello world without the space after the comma. Exactly what we needed. Let's test this code with another string, like have a great day. Now we have 3 spaces that we have to remove. It's always good to test your code with several different test cases and with different numbers of the elements that we want to work with. For example, 1 space, 3 spaces, no space, and that is good practice to test your code. Right here we can see this. The string was printed without any spaces in between the words. And finally, we're going to test this with a string that has no spaces to see what is the output of our code and if it's what we expect. We expect the code to print the string intact if it doesn't have any spaces. And that is exactly what happens. We have the same string printed intact. Great! Let's see our second alternative to solve this challenge. Right here we see our second option. We're defining the string because we need the string to generate a new copy of the string, a new version without the spaces, and now we are using the replace method. This is a string method that is going to replace the character that we specify by another character. The character that will be replaced is the first argument that we pass to the method. We want to replace the space by nothing, so we represent that nothing with an empty string. That will connect the different elements of the string by removing the spaces. Let me comment the code from the first solution out and save the file and run the code. We see the output without any spaces. We can also try this with have a great day, and we run the code. Have a great day, exactly what we expected. And then Python, a string with no spaces, and we see the string printed intact. What we expected. So now you know that there are 2 ways, at least 2 ways to solve this problem, but the string method is definitely the most concise one and the most Pythonic if you ever need to use it in your programs. Great, so now you know how to solve this challenge.